I think I just made a huge mistake. I downloaded a new browser just to test it, and somehow it replaced 6 of the tools I've been paying for every single month. And the worst part is that it actually does them better. So now I'm questioning everything I use, and honestly speaking, you might too after this video. Today I'm showing you something that genuinely surprised me, a browser built from the ground up around AI, but with actual safety and privacy baked in. It's called Neo, created by the team at Norton. Yes, the famous team at Norton, the cybersecurity company, not another AI plugin, not a browser with AI sprinkled on top of it. A browser designed from scratch to be AI native, safe and calm. And because of how I work, running multiple businesses, managing investments, researching constantly, if a tool helps me become more efficient, I noticed that instantly. Neo didn't just help me, it replaced half of my workflow. Before this, I used a separate AI summarizer, a writing assistant extension, a news curation app, a tab manager, a research tool, a bookmarking system, all separate, all distracting, all costing me money or slowing me down completely. But Neo replaced all of this, and it did it safely. This matters because the AI space right now is noisy. Everyone is releasing something new. Everyone is promising everything. And in all honesty, 90% of these companies either steals your data, slows you down, or interrupts your workflow. Neo is the first AI tool I've tried that actually stays quiet until you need it. Let's start with the magic box, the center of the entire browser. One box: search, navigate, generate, summarize, do task, whatever you need. And to use this feature, all you gotta do is type a URL, ask it a question, ask it to summarize the page you're on, use app to reference all appropriate tabs, and ask it to summarize all open tabs about UK inflation, for instance. This is not a chatbot on top of a browser. It understands your intent, your context, your moment. Chrome doesn't have this, Edge doesn't have this, AI extensions can't do this. This generally replaces a research assistant when you really think about it. And then there's the AI side panel, and this is where I started getting uncomfortable because it does things before I even ask it to do things. Let's run through a demo right now. Most AI tools interrupt. Neo waits until it actually has something useful to offer. No distractions, no jumping around, just quiet inflow intelligence. Now tell me this isn't a game changer when you really think about it. Just imagine applying this into your own workflow, your own life, and just think about all the benefits you can get out of it. This will definitely help you improve your business, your personal life. You name it, you will improve, and that's how you beat the competition in 2026. You need to set yourself up for 2026 right now, and you need to be able to beat the competition in 2026 because in my opinion, 2026 is going to be a really competitive year because of AI. And you just need to make sure that you stay ahead of the curve. It's really important. And now this feature really blew my mind on camera. Do you know how much time this saves? No more opening fake links, no more clicking on clickbait, no more clutter. Neo previews everything before you even commit. And on top of that, this also ties into Norton grade web shield protection for the added layer of security. A browser helping you stay safe automatically, that's news to me. Now if you're like me, your tabs get out of hand. Sometimes I've got more than 40 tabs open. I probably have that right now on my computer. And on top of that, I use multiple screens that still manage to lose track of everything. So I'm really happy with this feature because it replaces my tab manager instantly. It recognizes topics, collapses old sessions, reopen group tabs, and most importantly, keeps everything organized without me doing anything. Now this is a browser that's actually working for you, not against you. And this is when Neo replaces my writing tools. Unlike most AI assistants, this one doesn't sound robotic. It adjusts to your tone, your voice, your style. For creators and entrepreneurs like me, this is gold. And here's the part I really didn't expect. Neo remembers things only when you tell it to. Here's an example. Remember I'm planning a trip to Tokyo. It appears in settings, personalization on top of that. Now this replaces my bookmarking system and my research tracker. Every memory is visible, editable and deletable. No hidden logs, no creepy tracking, just intentional personalization. Look, we all know the AI space is moving really fast. I mean really fast, almost too fast. Tools are popping up every week with zero transparency around how they handle your data. And again, from my point of view, Neo is completely different because Norton built it privacy first. And we all know what Norton is known for. Transparent data flow, real deletion, optimized personalization, no profiling, hybrid isolation per tab, and Norton's web shield protecting you from modern fakery. So you can avoid AI-generated pages, malicious links, or impersonations even. And lastly, you're not a product here. You're the user of a fantastic product when you really think about it. So yes, this browser replaced 6 of the tools I was using, and I didn't expect that to happen. If you want the browser that actually works for you, not against you, that keeps you focused, calm, productive, and safe, Neo is worth trying from my point of view. If you're ready to do just that, check out the top link in my description. Try it out for yourself. When you see it summarized, before you even ask, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. But anyways, it's time for me to round up this video. I do hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'm rounding this video up right now, and I'll see you on the next video where we are going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship like we always do. Take care now. Bye-bye.